In question set 18, they have given us the details that should be added to the tables that we created in the previous question set 17 and 16. So to make this easy, I will use HeidiSQL instead of and I can use graphical method to do it quickly and easily instead of writing queries. So I will open HeidiSQL. Before that, I have to forward engineer this database. And let's save this too. So in our exam marks DB, we have class table, exam term table, student exam mark record table, and subject table. So they have given us the details. In the class table, we can add this data. Class ID, class name, level name. So I have added all the details for the student table. Now enter the data in the table below. So subject table. So the first one is mathematics. So enter the subject table. Now enter the data into the exam term table. Exam term table. So I am going to add some to show how to add data in the query method also. I will write insert into student exam record insert into student exam mark record there's 4 tables. So the first table is index number. Then the next one is subject ID. Next one is term ID. And the next one is it mark or marks? Yeah, it's marked. So I can add values and add the values. Index number. Subject ID. And term ID. Marks 80. And if I run this query, I should be able to add student number 2's marks. So it's successfully added. Like that, I can write queries. So I added all the data from this table, both using Graphically and query method. So let's move to question set 19. Thank you.